say, wanna kill him, no, I kill him, no, I kill him, no. Funeral time, mother ain't crying, we coming for your life. Slide on the block, hop out, call up the killer, them in road. Send a nigga soul up now, KG up like he living in a dog pound. 2 shot, clock bust your head back. Draco shot, make a nigga flick back. Police come out, shot padlock. I lay it off just to feel the kick back, me done chat. Reload aim for your head back. She want fuck cause she see the track hawk. Let's go. Gunshot off, fuck the bad talk. Fuck them, we spin back. Prop it up and rip your body parts. Church bell ring, now the funeral start. Killing everything, nobody calling farm. Wait till he drop your yard. Creep up, bust out your head with a fall. Them dude want war. They know the guy ain't dead. Fuck all them dude, boy. We gon' kill all of them. Yeah. Them dude want war. We gon' kill all of them. Yeah. Hold on.
That's what I'm saying. I tell you now, me know how it yet. You come back see me. Waiting enough time for you.
Slide on the block, hop out. Call up the killer, them in road. Send a nigga soul up now. KG up like he living in a dog pound. 2 shot, clock bust head back. Draco shot, make a nigga flip back. Police come out, shot padlock. I lay it off just to feel the kick back, me done chat. Reload aim for your head back. She want fuck cause she see the track hawk. Let's go. Gunshot off, fuck bad talk. Fuck them.
We ain't trying to such a beat the system. Not like that. You, me, we have agreement. Yeah, and you know I keep your end of the bargain. So yeah, man, Marks, you done it.